What is up, guys? We're back with another new video, and today we're going to be talking about JustPlay because I have been watching you guys blow these JustPlay videos up. I have two JustPlay videos on my channel. I've been watching you guys blow these two videos up. They're getting lots of views. People are commenting. That's awesome. I've been reading all the comments and trying to get back to everybody. This video is going to be about JustPlay, and we're going to make a new and updated version of my last two videos. So let's talk about what's new with JustPlay. Alright, so I have been reading the comments and like I said, replying back to everybody that I can reply back to. Some of the things I've been seeing is someone said how to withdraw with the credit card. I do not believe that you're able to just directly cash out to a credit card or a debit card. There's no option, you know, to have like a direct deposit straight to your card. However, the PayPal option on JustPlay is there, and it is the most trustful option to choose from, and it is what I choose every single time I cash out. You know, PayPal is very trustful. The payment is very secure, and you don't have to worry about receiving or not receiving the money. You know, 10 times out of 10, 9 times out of 10, the money that you earn from JustPlay will go to your PayPal if you cash out using the PayPal option. So someone said the little ad videos that you watch at the very bottom of the app, they said they're only giving 10 coins per video now. I don't believe that they are giving 10 coins per video. I just used JustPlay today and I watched videos. They are still 50 coins per video, and I'm not too sure what is going on that end, but I know for a fact on my app it is giving me 50 coins per video. So a lot of people have said Treasure Master is the fastest way to earn coins on JustPlay, and I'm gonna head and confirm that Treasure Master is one of the best games to play. It is the only game that I play on JustPlay. I play Treasure Master every day. That is how I earn my coins every single day, and it's the fastest. Unfortunately, I've already unlocked all the spears, so collecting, you know, the diamonds is kind of worthless, but playing the game here and there throughout the day, it's a good time waster. You're still able to play it even after getting all the spears for the game. There's just really no incentive within the game, but there's an incentive for playing the game for JustPlay. So that being said, Treasure Master is the way to go until they add a new game that is faster than Treasure Master. People have been telling me that I messed up the first review I did, so I do want to say that I did say some things that probably weren't fully correct. So you need a $2 minimum to cash out to PayPal. The person that left the comment, they said it's not a 24-hour reset, it's 3 hours only. Well, when you first join JustPlay, your first play will be 3 hours. So whatever you play when you first join JustPlay, the first 3 hours, whatever you play and earn will get deposited. It'll get your coins will get converted over to money within the first 3 hours of you playing. That's like when you go to the Play Store and you download the app, you load the app up. Your first time playing, it'll be 3 hours. So whatever you earn within that 3 hours, however many coins you earn within that 3 hours, it'll be converted over to cash. But if you do not, so if you earn $2 or more within that first 3 hours, I would suggest that you keep on going until the next day, and then fully cash out if you want. But anything over $2, you can cash out whenever. So once you get a $2 minimum, you can take that out whenever you want. You don't have to wait until the next 24-hour period. So if you earn $2 within your first 3 hours, then you don't really have to worry about waiting a whole another day to take that money out. Anything over $2 you can take out whenever. So if you hold a $2 minimum balance the whole time, so say you got $2 in your account, you earn $2 more, you can automatically cash out that other $2 if your account is above the $2 minimum for the PayPal. So when you first join the app, it will give you 3 hours on your time clock. After that 3 hours, it will reset and give you 24 hours on the time clock. Someone said you play all 3 hours. If you play all 3 hours, they're saying that JustPlay will calculate your coins based on how long you've played within that first 3 hours. So what you want to do is you want to play one game that whole 3 hours, that whole first 3 hours when you first download JustPlay. So I recommend downloading JustPlay and then downloading Treasure Master and just playing Treasure Master for that full 3 hours when you first join. And if you do that, you should have close to $2 minimum, depending on how much you play. Like, if you're full on playing for the first 3 hours, you should be able to cash out within the first day. If you're not, then you'll definitely be able to cash out the next day. This app is not like earn over $2 a day. Like, I've seen people say, I've gotten 1 million coins or 100K coins. Well, how can you get 100K coins and then cash out and say they only gave you 6 cents? How can you get 1 million coins and then cash out and say they only paid you 10 cents? I feel like I don't want to be wrong, and I don't want to say these people are doing things, but how do you account for your coins when your balance, after your first 3 hours, when your balance converts, it converts your coins every 24 hours. So how are you earning 1 million coins every 24 hours? Because if you don't, you see what I'm saying? Like, someone's saying they earned 1 million coins and they were only paid like 10 cents for it. But you know what I mean? Every single day, JustPlay will convert whatever coins you have in your account over to cash. So how can you say 1 million coins when you can't really count all your coins because they're converted every day. I'm not sure about that. People could be doing the offers to get the coins. And if you're doing the offers, I suggest, do them less, because JustPlay is going to pay you based on how much time you spent within the games, pretty much. That's how I've earned most of my money. I really don't do, the surveys and all that type of stuff. If you are getting 1 million coins a day and JustPlay is only paying you a little amount, that's probably because you're not spending a whole lot of time within the app. Someone said within the comments of those 2 last videos on my channel, time is money on JustPlay. So the time that you spend equals the amount of money that you're gonna get. So every 3 hours, if you hold $2 or more, you're able to cash out. That's pretty much really all that I have to talk about. The 1 million coins and the 100K coins and low payouts, I'm not sure what all that is about, but I wanted to address all of this stuff within my video. I have a paper wrote down with a bunch of stuff, but I don't know what to tell you guys about the low payouts with the high amount of coins. But I'm just gonna suggest that you guys spend more time playing games than you are like doing surveys or filling out offers, because the offers and the surveys, they are not like associated with JustPlay. So when you fill out offers and surveys, you're going to a third party, which is not JustPlay. And since you're not within the JustPlay apps or games, they can't really allocate your time for being on the app if you're on a third party app filling out surveys to get coins. You see what I'm saying? So I suggest that you can still fill out surveys and stuff, but I would just spend some more time playing some games, or even watching short little ads for the 50 coins at the very bottom. Other than that, that's really what I had to say. And if there's anything else, you guys know what to do. I encourage everybody to comment down below in the comment section, and let me know more things about the app. And as always, I will try to update my old videos with new videos, and update them with things that you guys say, that you guys put in. I do appreciate all the feedback from everybody on any type of the videos that I post, whether it's music, review videos, things like this. Appreciate everybody that drops a like on my videos, whether it's this video, music videos, my vlog videos, gaming videos, whatever you guys may be interested in. I appreciate you guys for coming to the channel and just engaging with me every single day. I like responding to your guys' comments. I like seeing new faces and meeting new people. So with that being said, thank you if you made it this far in the video. And if there's anything I missed, please don't hesitate to comment down below in the comments and just let me know. Give feedback on the video, give feedback on JustPlay. Let me know what your guys' favorite games on the app is. Let me know what game you think earns the fastest. And to those people out there that are getting 100k coins but they're not getting paid a lot, I encourage you guys to do what I said and spend more time within the gaming apps on JustPlay, because you're spending a lot of time on the third-party apps, which is not going to calculate your time for JustPlay. So make sure you guys are doing that. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.